Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today is a big day because I have an announcement to make. A lot of people are talking about Tesla, about Elon Musk, and how brilliant businessman he is, and so on and so forward. But I started to get some personal emails and text messages and etc. about the fact that a lot of people are talking, but less people are actually doing, and even lesser people are actually showing of what they're doing. Like Anthony Robbins, he likes to say, knowledge is a potential power. Why it's not a power? Because without any action upon it, you just know. There are a lot of people that are really smart out there, and they're not doing that well with their finances. So, my announcement today for you guys is that I am actually going to make something that few people are doing. I will create an account in a website with real money, and I'm actually going to start trading stocks that are paying dividends. So we're going to have here our dividend millionaire mastery. It's going to come onto the wall as well, so it's a matter of time. I'm going to create a brand new stock portfolio, which I have started from the 17th of April. But I'm going to reveal how April went. What happened? Was it good? Was it bad? The whole thing. On top of that, you guys can actually go online onto the brokerage website, which is called eToro, and you can literally log in and see it in real time, and you can actually learn more about the companies I'm investing in by watching these videos. And also you're going to figure out why am I buying those companies. Then in time, besides the regular update on Tesla, we're going to be talking about other companies as well. So you sit tight and enjoy.
Alright, so this is my portfolio. It has begun on 17th of April. So from that point onwards, this is what has happened. We are going to look into my portfolio. I'm going to have a little chat about how eToro works. So eToro is just literally a brokerage, and you can use any other, it doesn't matter. I am a popular investor, currently a cadet, which is like the basic level. I am going to look into my portfolio, and we're going to discuss what I've bought, why I've bought it, and how is that going to progress further. So we're going to look here into the value that I have assigned for each company that I have invested in, and then we're going to talk about what has happened for the April month. So I did invest heavily in Tesla, and the stock shot up really high. What happened is I of course sold some of it, and the results are right here. So literally pocket once $84, one $537, another time again $9, etc. So these are other companies that I've bought and sold, made some profit on it, not too much, but anything is better than nothing. Back to the portfolio, we have Texas Roadhouse. It's a brilliant company that is growing, almost no outstanding debt. We're going to look into all of these companies individually, but for now I'm just going to represent them. It's my biggest currently stock holding, and I put down $4,000. Currently is valued on $4,097. So within a 17th of April to the end of April, this is the result. Second, my biggest holding is Costco. Same thing. I put $4,000 down, so we can see the results. We can see how many units we have bought. Visa, MasterCard, I really love these companies. Highly technological companies. Insurance is involved into them to protect payments across the world. Those two companies are fantastic. They are very robust. They're usually part of a defensive portfolio. They do pay dividends. They've grown the dividends, and their dividends are growing faster than the interest rates and the inflation. So I really enjoy having those two into my portfolio. Currently they are slightly behind, which is good for us because we have a strategy when a stock goes under beneath 5%, we'll just pretty much just buy more of it. The next two stocks that I've got in my portfolio are brilliant. So these are Stack and Main. Both of those companies are paying monthly dividends. This is why we are going to build this monthly dividend monster portfolio, with the idea of us getting paid each and every single month, with again another idea behind it is that we can use the proceeds or the profits from this investment and reinvest them back into the portfolio. Currently we are just testing the water. We've bought $100 from each of those, and as well, once we saw Tesla, we bought only $100 worth of Tesla, with the same idea to see how the stock is going to perform, because Tesla has a big yo-yo effect. It goes really high, it swings down, again it bounces back. So we have to be careful with Tesla in the short term. If we buy, however, for a long-term holding, I believe Tesla will do really well. Again, you need to do your search, you need to make sure that you do your research, and of course if you're taking a decision to buy Tesla, that will be completely on you. The portfolio currently have cash available of 7.5 thousand, just above it, and 16.3 thousand, slightly above that, is totally reinvested. So all those stocks that you can see onto the left hand side here, the total amount invested in them is this 16,393 pence. Now, when I sold Tesla stock, it started from zero. So if the stock for the day goes slightly down, the profit here will show up as a negative. The total value of the whole portfolio is $23.791.55, which is great because we are approaching $24,000 into this property. Let's see how much we can grow them, and let's see what strategy we are going to use. So how much we can grow it, it's unlimited. We do know that there are people like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates that are ranking crazy amount of money from dividends. Bill Gates in 2023 ranked about 1.3 million dollars a day from dividends, and we know that Berkshire, run by Warren Buffett, is also performing incredibly well. In this portfolio we have picked up stocks that have a lot in common, and one of the things is residual income, or basically they are having stock or services that are selling regularly without too much of an effort. MasterCard and Visa, every single time when you use your card, obviously they are getting you charged, so that is kind of residual income. Costco is one of the best companies in the world at the moment. It's run smoothly, it's run from long time. Again, it has a payments on a monthly basis from all customers just to be able to rent their warehouses. So that is a residual income, which is very beautiful thing. You can scale, and also it puts your profits and your company profits, into a good standard mode, easy to read, predictable. It's just beautiful business to be in. Texas Roadhouse, they've recently paid their long-term liabilities. The only one they currently have are leases for their new restaurants, which is again happy days, because that means this company is not going to have that big of an impact from interest rates onto the market. Stack and Main are paying monthly dividends. Their stock has been growing steadily, so we have a trend, and I love investing into trends because I believe they are super important to predict stock price. And of course Tesla, I will definitely invest into Tesla a lot more than $100. As soon as it settles down, I will try to enter with a bigger position again. This portfolio is portfolio that is focused on building a passive income, which means we need to focus on companies that are paying dividends for a long period of time, and their dividends are growing really fast. So all those ones, Main, Stack, Mastercard, Visa, Costco, and Texas Roadhouse are currently paying dividends, and they are super strong companies. What I'm going to do is every so often, every 2 weeks, maybe once a month, I'm going to show up that portfolio, and we are going to discuss what has gone right, what has gone wrong, and of course we're going to look into possibilities of how to approach this portfolio in terms of, do we buy more, do we sell, do we add a new position. We will decide in the go, but you are welcome to stay and watch how this thing is growing. In the meantime, we can also see how the property is currently performing. We can currently see that the property is pretty much flat and it starts to build up slowly. We're going to see how is that going to look in time, because now we have bought these companies and they're going to stay with us for the years to come. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything from the show. I look forward to seeing you into the next one. You guys take care, and I will see you soon.